Hi guys, do you want to grow lots of chili peppers at home? Come with us please. Welcome to Green Plant Guide.
Now I want to talk about how to grow chili peppers at home in containers.
There are lots of pepper varieties.
However, tips and tricks in this video are common for all varieties of chili peppers.
Seed sowing. Grow plant from pepper seed is far easier to buy a packet of seed. You need to choose a mature seed to grow chili peppers like the red one. Green peppers are still immature and may show poor germination results. You don't need to dry your pepper seeds before planting them. You can sow the seeds first in a small container or seedling trays and then go for transplant.
The seed starting mix.
You can prepare a potting mix for seed germination with at least 50% coco peat. Chili peppers usually germinate in 1 week. You can transplant this after 4 to 6 weeks.
Select a large container. Peppers need room for their roots to spread,
so choose a pot at least 12 inches in diameter. Potting soil mix.
A well-draining soil is very important for healthy root growth.
30% coco peat, 30% compost, 30% garden soil is a great potting soil mix for chili peppers. Sunlight. Pepper plant need full direct sunlight at least 6 hours for flowering and fruiting. Also keep pots in spots where pollinator insects like butterfly and honeybees visit frequently. Watering. So many factors impact a plant's watering needs, from temperature to sun exposure to size and much more. Keep in mind, a large plant is going to drink more, as well as hot conditions that cause more water usage. Root rot and other major issues may happen from overwatering, so give chili peppers a steady supply of moisture.
Improper watering can result in flower or fruit drop-off.
Don't let the soil get soggy. Fertilizer. During transplant and flowering stage, adding some amount of phosphorus source is very important. Bone meal has 15% phosphorus concentration. This organic fertilizer is a very important slow-release source of phosphorus for making stronger roots. Then, adding some source of calcium like gypsum or lime during root stage. Pest control. Chili pepper is affected by pests like mealybugs, aphids, and whiteflies. Best is prevention by spraying neem oil once in 15 days. If it's already infested, you can spray weekly once or even twice until all pests are eradicated.
Make sure you do a patch test on a leaf before spraying on the entire plant.
I explain patch testing in above video. You can watch from link. Golden tip. Aspirin for plant growth. Some researchers spray plants with aspirin water solution once every 3 weeks for an entire growing season. At the end, the plants sprayed with the aspirin solution were found much bigger and had more fruit. Also, some gardeners explain aspirin has benefit for plants. The main component in aspirin is called salicylic acid, which comes from the bark of a willow that helps the plant protect itself from insect and disease attacks. With disease-free pepper, you can get more chili peppers. You can spray pepper with the mixture of water and aspirin. One recipe to make the aspirin solution is 1 liter of water with 1 aspirin tablet. Leave it to dissolve for 10 minutes, then give it a good shake. Please try aspirin on your plant and write your feedback in the comment section below, please. Harvesting time. ETA. You can harvest chili peppers anywhere between 60 to 150 days after planting.
Most sweet peppers mature in 60 to 90 days.
Hot pepper can take up to 150 days. Thanks for watching Green Plant Guide. I will see you next time.